in the Mankato area, but no tornado warning as of this point. Officially, it's a severe thunderstorm warning. We're going to get an emergency update here from the emergency alert system. Thunderstorm warning as we are getting calls here. We're getting somebody calling in here on the line, and we'll get an update from them. We are going to get an emergency alert update here just shortly with a new severe thunderstorm warning. Corey is going to call in here with an update. Hey, he's on the line as we speak. I take that back. So Corey, you have an update for us?
I sure do. The National Weather Service has upgraded the winds in this storm now to 80 miles per hour and calling it a destructive storm for Mankato and the surrounding area. And they are putting that into Mankato at about 7:25, maybe 7:30. But really time is running out to make sure that you are in a very sturdy shelter now with 80 mile per hour wind gusts. And again, the National Weather Service calling this a destructive storm.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities County, southeastern Nicollet County, until 8 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Crystal, or 8 miles west of Mankato, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Mankato and surrounding towns. Expected hazards include 80 mile per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Southeastern Nicollet County until 8 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Crystal, or 8 miles west of Mankato, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Mankato and surrounding towns. Expected hazards include 80 mile per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mankato around 7:25 p.m. St. Peter, Eagle Lake, and Cossota around 7:35 p.m. Madison Lake around 7:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Cleveland. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south central Minnesota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch...
It is very, very, very dark to our west. And we're going to get some pretty bad debris as we're about probably 3 minutes away from this, the brunt of the storm. So make sure you are inside taking shelter now. Officially, no tornado warning. It is a severe thunderstorm warning at this point, but 80 mile an hour wind gusts. As we are now, the storm is really hitting the Rapidan area. North Mankato, you're just a handful of minutes of storm.
Phone call just from Rapidan, actually saying the wind is just horrendous, just picked up, and it is just blowing like crazy, says those callers, so thank you for your report. This is a severe thunderstorm warning, so make sure, as Alex has already said, we take cover. Inside, away from windows, this thing is packing a hit.